Just got a bunch of makeup. These are all from Lumecolors, and I'm excited to try it out today. I have a vision in mind. This is the look that I'm gonna go for. I got their beauty blender. It's like it doubled the size. Like now it barely fits. This is their HD Ultra Lightweight Foundation. They say it's a 16-hour long wear. It has anti-aging and vitamin E. It's moisturizing, it's brightening, and it has oil control. I got this one in the darkest color. Also got their Velvet Lip and Cheek Mousse. I'm thinking I can use this for like blush and also eye stuff. I also got the Lumecolors Loose Powder with oil control. Suitable for all skin types, medium to full coverage, lightweight texture. Iconic duo in espresso brown. It comes with free spoolie and then also their velvet lip coat. I'm so happy with all the makeup that I got. Okay, I'll see you next time.